Hello everybody, today we will focus on solving LeetCode problem 1725, number of the rectangles that can form the largest square. If you read the question, we are given of the array list, and in this array list we are given the items that represent the length and width of the rectangles. The problem is that to find the maximum square with these units. I made some illustration here to explain the problem better. We are given of the list of the arrays. Each item represents the length and width of the rectangle. We need to find the maximum square. How can we find the maximum square? By taking the minimum value inside the minimum value from that items. It's 5, and as you can see here, we will get 5 to make the square from this rectangle. And otherwise, if we get the 8, it will not be possible to make the rectangle with the unit of 8. And because of that, we will iterate this list and we will get the minimum value. And after that, we will keep inside the dictionary. At the end of the function, we need to find how many times can we get the maximum square. As you can see here, if we iterate this list for the first item, the minimum value is 5. And then 3, 5, 5. We have the 3 times 5, 1 times 3 units, or 3 unit, and we will return that maximum square is 5. How many times? 3 times. First, we will focus on solving this problem with Java. And first of all, we define a hash map. And first of all, we define a hash map. Integer. Map. And after that, we need to iterate that rectangles list for rectangle. Int rectangle plus, and after that we will check if this rectangle first of all we will get the minimum value, and int min val is equal to math to min, and this is array, and we can get the items by index like that. Rectangle zero and rectangle 1. And after that, we need to check that whether that value inside that dictionary. How can we look that? We can type like that: int count hash map contains k min val. If that's true, we need to get that value, and we need to get this case value. It's like that: hash map point get and meanwhile, in other ways we will get 0. And count, and after that we need to put that inside the map. Hash map put and yeah, meanwhile, comma, count plus 1, and for this loop we will get the hash map with the minimum value and the number of the minimum squares, and we need to convert the case to the array list. Firstly, yeah, we define that list of integer hash array is equal to new array lists integer and hash map point k set. We will get the whole k set, and after that, don't forget that, and return hash map point get collection point get or collections not the point max, yeah, max hash array. I will explain that. 1 second. And hash point, I think it's okay. Yeah, and actually after after this for loop, in this for loop we will sort k and the values. We get the minimum values, and after that we count how many times, and at the end of the loop we have a list hash map, and we convert the keys to the list, and from this list we get the maximum value collections not the point max, and after that we return and then we return the maximum and the number of the maximum squares. If we run this code, we need to look that everything's okay. Run code. Okay, yeah, we sorry for square for curly brackets. Did we type that? Yeah, rectangle. I think, yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, it's accepted, and submit that. It has been accepted with Java 6 milliseconds. And if you solve this problem with Python 3 actually, yeah, it's same actually. First of all, we define myDict is equal to dictionary, and after that we need to iterate that. We will get the minimum value for rectangle in rectangles and we will get the minimum value if min rectangle not in my dict. If not in my dictionary, that's the list minimum, the minimum value of that list. We check that. If it's not a dictionary, then we need to obtain that my dict min rectangle yeah, that should be we need to just count that, yeah, 1, else my dict min rectangle plus 1, my dictionary minimum rectangle plus 1, and at the end of that we will get the list with the case and the values, and we should return my dictionary max my dict case. Think it should be okay. Submit that. It has been accepted. Just look differences, and yeah, Java is more faster than the Python. Yeah, I hope that you understand the logic or the basics. I hope that you enjoy that, and thank you very much for your watching.